In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can add items on Zoho Books. Adding items in Zoho Books is essential for accurate accounting and inventory management. Each item represents a product or service you sell, allowing you to track sales, expenses, and inventory levels efficiently. To do this, simply head into your Zoho Books. On your home page, tap right here to head onto your profile page. You will then select on this plus icon on the upper right corner of the screen. Select on item. On this page, go ahead and enter the item name. The unit that particular item is counted as. Enter the price of the item. On the space of account, it's optional. Write the item description and include the taxes. You can also do that on the purchase form as well. Adding items ensures accurate financial reports, helps in managing taxes, and streamlines invoicing and purchasing processes. That's how easy it is to add items on Zoho Books. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.